Yes.
Mark, this is the Henderson Police Department. We want to resolve this peacefully. Come out with your hands up and empty, please.
How is it, Sandy? There's traffic coming.
Mark, please.
Get back.
Mark, get your hands
Mark! Where is he? He's right here. He's right here.
Hey, you guys stay lethal. I'm going verbals. Mark, this is the Henderson Police Department. We want to resolve this peacefully. Come out with your hands up and empty, please. Mark, please. Oh, fuck. Mark, get your hands up! He's back around the corner. Control, Twitter 21. Shots fired. Mark went back inside around the corner. He had a 413.
Mark, we need you to come out with your hands up and empty. We want to help you. Well, then come out here with your hands up and empty. This doesn't have to end like this. Come out with your hands up and empty. Keep walking towards us. Oh, we don't want to hurt you. Just keep walking towards us, nice and slow. Don't make any sudden movements. Mark, you're doing good. Like I said, we want to get you help. Keep coming towards us. Keep coming towards us. Don't move. Don't. Keep going. Keep coming towards us. We'll let you know when to get down. Keep coming. Great job, Mark. Hey, let's do this together, okay? All right, go down on one knee for me. All right, go down on your other knee. All right, on the plus your hands, walk out onto your belly. Close to your belly. Start rolling out so you lay on your belly. That's fine. Perfect. Put your arms out like an airplane. Perfect. Put your palms so they're facing the sky. That's fine. Put them on the ground. You're good.